everyone, this is Johnny with JCS Performance. We just finished doing the dyno tune on Nicole. This is a 124 cubic inch motor that we built. It has a lot of real nice stuff. So it has Jim's roller rockers, and it has R&R heads, R&R valves and springs. And we ended up using a Revolution 4 1/8 big bore kit. They also did the truing and flywheels and the H-beam rods for us. We're running a T-Man cam, SNS oil pump cam plate, Bassani exhaust, and then we had Andy give us and machine our transmission and get it all polished up as well. But of course, we're running the Primo Rivera Pro Clutch. We're very, very happy with the results. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the graph and see what kind of outcomes we did. All right, guys, here we go. So we ended up with 139.19 horse, 146.17 torque. There's the graph, real nice. Very, very happy with the results. So I want to show you guys the air fuel ratio. So there are the air fuel ratios. Real nice and smooth, straight. Very, very happy. So this motorcycle had previously had a Zippers 647 cam, and we had tuned it with a Thunder Max. So now it currently has a T-Man 660 cam and is being tuned with a Power Vision. Really, really like the results that we got with this thing. So appreciate you guys watching. We have more cool videos coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, guys.